Hi, hello, welcome to our video. Now we are discussing about this pomegranate. You know, in our camp there is a pomegranate here. You see that there is a one, and also here, see, there is a fruits of pomegranate. You see, if you see the height of all this pomegranate, only around 1 meter. I only sitting here. But the height only of this pomegranate is only 1.5 or maybe around 2 meter. This pomegranate. See, the pomegranate is like the shape of the fruit is like a guava. See, like a guava. But you know this pomegranate, this is very good, this pomegranate, because there is so many pieces of this pomegranate. You know, you see, now I'm a little old, but you know, I see in the Google that this pomegranate, if you always eating this pomegranate, this your skin will glowing. That's why we must eat this pomegranate. You know, sometimes there is a sale in the market of this pomegranate. I like to compare to the other fruits. This is less price, and also there is more benefits. As you know, now there is too much different delicious food now, and also we sometimes we are not controlling our self to eat some food. That's why, you know, now there's sometimes if you are young, no problem. If you are eating too much, no problem, because your stomach are no problem for digesting the food you eat. But if you are in the old age, oh, this I also experienced that of this problem. But you know, I see and I learned in the Google that this pomegranate are good in the digestion. So if you are not controlled to your food eating, so you must also add this pomegranate. Mostly if you see that the price in the market is very low, also buy this pomegranate to eat. And also, if you have some inflammation in your body, this pomegranate also is the medicine. That's why this pomegranate is too much benefits. That's why you will not forget this pomegranate. And also, I also experience of this in the like this late our age, and you see, I experience of that this memory loss sometimes, not sometimes, frequent. There's always I experience this sometimes when I coming there in the room that I have a planning to take, and when I coming inside, I don't know what I need to, why I go there. I forgot. Oh, before I'm not experience of that, but when I coming up like this age like this, I experience of that is always forgot. I don't know. I'm not thinking the other, but mostly I forgot of what I going there, what I need to take. I'm very easy to forget. But you know, this pomegranate, this is the best solution to that problem. That's why better if you have you can buy some one tree like that, small tree you can buy. Better is to have a tree like this in our home, because of this you know, the benefits of this, like this pomegranate is very can give more help to our health. That's why you know that if you are always eating this fruits of pomegranate. So there's so many problems that can remove in our health, mostly cancer. This is anti-cancer. I also search in the Google. This is the very good in our body. So if you have, mostly if there is your family some line of cancer, maybe your ancestor have a cancer, so it will help you to remove this cancer, or to protect you to have a cancer. That's why it's only this pomegranate. Pomegranate is good. This pomegranate. This is full of this asphalt. See, and if you will check in this, the roots only there is scattered only there under this asphalt. So there's no also water here, but there is the roots of the tree. There is a sensor of this in every roots. Even this there's no water here, and I know that these trees, these roots have going to some other area there that have water, because these trees have a sensor in each every roots. Where is the water, these roots will go in there. That's why even here there's no roots. So this pomegranate tree is continuously living, and not only living, this also giving of fruits. There is fruits there also there inside. See, there's too much fruits, and see, this. The main important also that I want to tell you, mostly in the main problem during the old, there's a problem. Sometimes we know all the men know this. Mostly is the old people, old men like me. See, there is a fruits. Experience of this one is the erectile dysfunction. The erectile dysfunction, so it means that like this crane. This thing, if you are always pushing the push button and then you are well signing to go up, but it's not going up. Why? You are very tired to signing up, go up, but it's not going up. So that is the problem of this old. That's why man is old. So what is the solution for that? Only that I search in the Google, that the solution only is if you are always eating of this pomegranate. Very simple, pomegranate only. That's why this pomegranate, we must to eat of always this pomegranate, mostly the men, and also for the women this is also good also. That's why not only for the men, but mostly that have a problem only for that this erectile dysfunction is only men. So what is the best solution to cure this problem is by eating of this pomegranate. So start of eating pomegranate now, and there is some plant store or nursery of this trees nursery. You can buy some small plants of this pomegranate, and then start to planting in our home. See, if you're there, this is very only around 2 meter only this height, but see, continuously giving fruits. Let's see, there is also there fruits. There's two bone, and also there is a small of this. This is the young fruits of this pomegranate, and the young fruits of this pomegranate. And also, and the good thing is This also I see always I am only here, that's why there is no bird here. But even this is a very small tree, you see I always see here the bird is sitting here, because you know, this very thick of this some trunks, that's why these birds is like to sitting here sleeping. But say that this process cannot eat by the birds, because this is young enough. Not even this is this pomegranates become ripe, but these birds cannot eat this pomegranate, because of this you know, the skin of this is very thick. That's why there is a experience of for the birds to eating this pomegranate, and also very hard. Even though when I eat, if I eating this like this pomegranate, the ripe, because this pomegranate will become ripe, this will make the color of red, and that is ready to eat. But like this is still green, this is young. And then the bird is always sitting here. I always see this bird only is scared of me, that's why he is going out. You see there is and also the bird also giving up fertilizer. See, there's too much dirt of this bird here in the main trunks of this one. Oh, that is only for our video for today. I hope that I have some share for you some knowledge. Okay, thank you very much. And now I was calling for the prayer. So we need to prayer as to follow our God. Thank you very much.